Following the recent release of the 2023 iPhone models and the Pixel 8 series, all eyes are now on the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is expected to steal the show among the Galaxy S24 range. The Ultra variant has gained significant attention due to inheriting features from the discontinued Galaxy Note series, which was renowned for its large-screen S Pen styles. Since 2021, the Galaxy's Ultra models have essentially replaced the Galaxy Note, maintaining a similar form factor and S Pen functionality. Samsung intends to launch its flagship range for 2024 with an early unpacking event in January, and prominent Tipstar Ice Universe has just provided renderings of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, claiming them to be the closest depictions of the real smartphone. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, featuring a unique combination of overclocked and underclocked components compared to the regular version. Notably, the Prime CPU core is overclocked at 3.4 GHz, while the Cortex-A720 performance CPU cores are underclocked at 3.15 GHz and 2.96 GHz. The Cortex-A520 efficiency CPU cores operate at 2.27 GHz, which is somewhat less than the standard model. In terms of camera capabilities, Samsung is apparently forsaking the 10x optical zoom present in previous Galaxy S23 Ultra models in favor of a 5x optical zoom comparable to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The main camera is expected to have an enhanced version of Samsung's 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor called the ISOCELL HP2SX 200-megapixel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra would include a titanium chassis, which Apple debuted in its Pro models the previous year. However, real-world experiences with titanium fabrication in phones have not decisively shown its endurance. Other rumored upgrades include a rise in RAM to 12 GB for the basic configuration, up from 8 GB in the previous generation, and a possible 5000 mAh battery matching the capacity of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.